Jason, the sun has set in the last weekend of February, and it kind of felt like it was, a winter weekend, but man, those temps are going to be rising tomorrow.
Yeah, I mean, as cold as it is today and right now with the wind and how it was yesterday, I could tell you that tomorrow is a big jump. I mean, spring preview is coming. Not as cold tonight. We'll get some AM snow showers to kind of remind us it's still winter tomorrow. Spring preview with a run for 50 early this week, even into midweek. And then we got rain, wind, snow melt, ice movement on the rivers, a flash freeze, all coming with that next storm. So buckle up. It's going to be a pretty wild end of February. Made it to 30 in Acton, but you got the wind coming up in the south, so temperatures are pretty uniform, but the temperatures in the 20s, any type of wind, north or south, not going to feel warm. So Eastport, you're at 27, Presque Isle 23. Now that's quote unquote warmer than yesterday, but I mean, with the wind chills, not so much. How about the next several hours? The wind is going to stay out of the south. You'll notice here, there's a front knocking on the door. There's going to be precip. There's going to be snow showers and even snow squalls coming into parts north into Monday morning. But after that, and there's, by the way, no accumulation expected except for maybe a dusting up in northern Maine. After that, watch here in your time code what happens. So the temperatures and the wind, it's going to bring things up here into the 40s by Monday afternoon. So the wind out of the south will persist, and so will the snow squalls up north. Now, as far as the next storm, big area of low pressure coming in, and that's going to be heading up in that inside track run. Now, I know I've made these icons very big for a reason, to give you an idea of what's happening with the weather. High pressure comes in, dries us out into March 1st, but that's a return flow from the south, and that's going to warm us up into the upcoming weekend too. One weekend at a time, though. This one just about over. Here's the storm midweek that I just showed you. Okay, zooming in now, get those icons out of here and show you. Down east, anywhere from a ½ inch to 1.5 inches, even 2 inches of rain. Then add the snow melt, okay, and you're going to start to have problems. You're going to have issues like, yes, the ice becoming dislodged, going down the rivers, okay? Could be a big problem by Wednesday to Thursday. Speaking of Thursday, here's that northwest wind that's going to be howling, and a flash freeze is going to be happening on Thursday after the rain and the little bit of snow on the backside moves through. So a pretty dynamic system coming midweek. Small craft is up, seas 4 to 7. The next several days, here we go. Just a few, morning snow showers around daybreak. It's breezy. Snow squalls for northern Maine, though. Big jump Tuesday, and then we're in the 50s. We cool down Thursday, the flash freeze, 11 degrees. We're going 37 to 11. And then we're in the 50s both days next weekend. Look at this. 47, Sam, after morning snow. When's the last time we had morning snow showers? Then we jumped to 47 in the afternoon. 44 Tuesday, big storm Wednesday, morning rain and snow. We go from 38 degrees Thursday afternoon down to 17. Watch out for ice there into Thursday night, Friday morning. And then Friday, March 1st, not a terrible day, not super warm for March, but then we're at 50-50. And I don't mean 50-50 as in cold and warm. I mean 50-50 as in both days are going to be 50 degrees for the first weekend of March.
I was going to say, well, the new month is going to be kicking off with, some great weather, but a great reminder by you, to watch out for that ice because, if we start to think we're getting the mild temperatures, let our guard down a little bit. So just be cautious out there.
Yeah, very dangerous because normally early March you can go on the ice. This year, be very careful. Make sure you're measuring step by step.
All right, Jason. Thank you.